remove that mount. It's over there. It isn't very much further than it was. So we're gonna cut this mount off, figure out what kind of mount we're gonna put here. Alright guys, kind of tinkering on it. I'm going to have to probably figure out some sort of strengthening. I don't know where, but I'll figure that out. So probably tolerant. The clearances are really tight, but we'll have to live with it. We can make some mounts for the reservoir up on the cage. Alright guys, here we go. Straight up and down. Slight angle forward. Cool. Looks like it's gonna work just great. Have to get it out to the desert and test it, of course, and see if we can break it. We're gonna try. Alright guys, time to make a header. So what I got here is these are like handicap rails from bathrooms. This one here is 1.25" pipe. A lot of times they're 1.5". When I was lucky, I found some 1.25" stainless. So we'll cut the flange, as you can see here, right there. 670 here. As you can see, perfect size piping. So I'll figure out wherever we want to have it figured. Figure out where we're going to point it, and then trace it. Cut it out. Drill some holes. shop these. Figure out, I think we're gonna then go this way. So far. About plasma cutting is it's usually pretty ugly. At least when I do. Alright, that's going to need some attention from the old rotary file. Grinder. Alright guys, I'll show you my little power feed, adjustable speed. Forward, reverse. Just running it off one of my batteries here. So. Drilling through stainless steel here. As you know, it can just about destroy bits. So we're going real slow. As you can see, I've water cooled my drill press. Got a pump in there running. Makes a little bit of a mess, but keeps you from burning up drill bits. I don't even have to pre-drill with this thing. Like butter. Alright guys. I made this a slip fitting, so it should take care of some exhaust leaks. Get this all mounted, tightened up. Alright, here we go. That was a little low. Sounds pretty good. Put her away till next weekend, and then we'll figure out what else we can do to her. She rides like a Cadillac, went through those speed bumps like they weren't even there. This thing's gonna be so much fun. Can't wait to get it out to the desert. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely gonna have to put an oil catch can on that thing. I was going around the corners kind of quick and noticed big clouds of white smoke coming out of my exhaust. And I've seen the videos, I know everybody said that'll be next. And there's a few more things I want to button up. And thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll bring you guys some more videos. Hopefully we'll get it out to the desert here soon. I want to go next weekend, but we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching.